We're going to work on freight train. Freight train uses 4 chords. It uses a C chord, which is all open. It uses a G chord, which is pointer finger on the D, middle finger on the G, ring finger on the B. It uses the F chord, which is all 4 strings on the 5th fret. And it uses a new chord, the E chord, which is all 4 strings on the 4th fret. The chord progression is going to go C for 4 beats, G for 4 beats, G for 4 more beats, then C for 4 beats, then E for 4 beats, then F for 4 beats, then C for 2, G for 2, and C for 4. Here's what that sounds like. 1, 2, ready, and C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, G, 2, C, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole chord progression for this song. Trying it with the words. 1, 2, ready, and freight train going so fast. Freight train going so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I'm gone. Freight train going round the bend. Freight train coming back again. One of these days, turn that train around and go back to my hometown. Freight train going so fast. Freight train going so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I'm gone. One more place I'd like to be. One more place I'd like to see. To watch them old Blue Ridge Mountains climb when I ride old number 9. Freight train going so fast. Freight train going so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I'm gone. Freight train going so fast. Freight train going so fast. Please